she heard her mommy say, "Come to mommy, darling, please do not cry. Daddy's gone to heaven, away up in the sky." How far is heaven? When can I go to see my daddy? He's there, I know. How far is heaven? Let's go tonight. I want my daddy to hold me tight. He was called so suddenly, he could not say goodbye. I know he's in heaven, and we'll meet him by and by. Little girl, she trembles, her tears she could not hide. She looked up towards heaven, and then she replied, "How far is heaven? When can I go to see my daddy? He's there, I know. How far is heaven? Let's go tonight. I want my daddy to hold me tight. I want my daddy to hold me tight."